The UK housing market is officially on pause. According to new Rightmove data, property supply has hit a decade high and sellers are losing their pricing power fast. Prices rose just 0.3% in October 2025, way below the 10-year average. So is this the start of a slowdown or the calm before the budget storm? Let's break it down. The average asking price for a newly listed home is now £371,422, up just 0.3%, a fraction of the usual 1.1% October boost. Rightmove says there's too much supply chasing too few buyers. Sellers are having to price aggressively, with homes priced correctly from day one being 22% more likely to sell than those left overpriced for weeks. The market's biggest drag, the south of England, where stamp duty hikes and budget speculation are scaring off high-end buyers. London prices are down 1.4% year on year, while regions in the north are still seeing modest growth. The market's biggest drag, the south of England. With record listings and falling demand, this is now a very price-sensitive market. If you're selling or overpricing your home, you could be leaving it sitting there for months. If you're buying, you're in a stronger negotiating position, but the upcoming autumn budget could shake everything up. There's rumours of higher property taxes or further stamp duty changes are keeping many would-be movers waiting on the sidelines. The key takeaways for you are supply surge is shifting power to the buyers. With the highest number of homes in sale for over a decade, buyers now have options and leverage. Sellers need to be realistic and make sure their pricing is standing out. Overpricing in this market could kill the momentum in selling your property. And the next one is there is a regional divide happening. The North, Wales and Scotland are seeing modest annual growth around 1%, while southern regions are falling in negative territory. Stamp duty changes could continue to hurt the south disproportionately. However, the market is still resilient for now. Year to date, buyer demand is up by 2% and sales agreed are 5% higher than 2024. While October is soft, the wider 2025 trend shows cautious stability and not collapse. And there's no sugarcoating it. The budget speculation is freezing high-end activity. Concerns about potential tax hikes are slowing movement, especially for those buying or selling above £500,000. Expect a wait-and-see attitude until after the budget announcement has been. And if you're a seller, you got to make sure you nail that pricing early. Rightmove's data is clear. Listings priced correctly from day one will attract 22% more traffic to the property and they're more likely to sell. In a market that's flooded with choice, presentation and pricing precision can make or break your sale. The message is simple. This is not a crash, but it's competitive. Sellers need to price smartly and buyers need to stay informed ahead of November's budget. The next few weeks could set the tone for 2026. If you're a buy-to-let investor and want to know the 5 top mistakes to avoid, check out this video here. But that's your mortgage and property update for today. I'll see you on the next headline.